Yes! 10,000 likes. And this is your reward. It's rubbish.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello folks, welcome to vidIQ. My name is Rob. If this is your first time here on this channel, we are usually the YouTube tool and channel that aims to help you get more views in less time by educating you on your YouTube journey. But for this particular video, we wanted to educate ourselves with YouTube premieres. You see, as of time of recording, we're hearing a lot of negativity about YouTube premieres. Channels gambling their content on this new feature and then discovering that once the premieres occurred, their videos tend to perform quite poorly. Similar to live streams in a sense, which is exactly what we predicted in our video about this topic before premieres was rolled out to everybody. In a particular case, there was a channel called Strange Parts, which is kind of electronic adventures in China. They'd spent months planning a video and then they decided to premiere it using YouTube premieres, and they found that their video performed very poorly. So being a bit miffed at this point, as you might imagine, the video creator posted a follow-up video that was a complaint about YouTube premieres, which got almost as many views as the content that they'd spent months planning and used the premiere feature for. Why does that always happen on YouTube? You spend months creating something which then doesn't perform as well as you want, and then a video just standing in front of a camera talking for a few minutes, and that does really well. Hopefully the same as what this video is going to do. Anyway, what we want to try and do is turn this negativity into positivity with a little bit of a hack. Because you see, the idea with YouTube premieres is that you schedule a video sometime in the future and build up interest before that video goes live. So what we're going to do is give ourselves as much time as possible by scheduling it 50 years in the future. Yes, YouTube Premiere's scheduling system is a little slack when it comes to time limits. So we're going to let this video run for years and years and years, and hopefully people are going to like it, and then we can change the video from can this video get 100 likes to can this video get 1,000 likes before anybody watches it. And of course you can post in the comments and in the live stream chat all before this video actually goes live. You see where we're going with this? So hopefully over the last, I don't know, days, weeks, months, people have been adding to the conversation here, and I don't know, are we circumventing YouTube here, making a bit of a mockery of a feature? Well, we wanted to experiment, and this is what we found out. So yeah, thanks for taking part in this little experiment, and enjoy the rest of your video making day. Let's see if we can get this video to 20,000 likes.